Time to get real. Welcome to my world. We're going through a pandemic called coronavirus. Now, the federal government issued an order that homeowners can't be evicted and properties can't be foreclosed if they can't make their mortgage payments. At least in California, an executive order was passed that tenants can't be evicted if they can't make their rent payments for the next couple of months in both scenarios. Please, whatever you have to do, make your rent or mortgage payments today. Do not delay them. Do not put them off for the next month or the month after, thinking that you can't be kicked out. Once those payments are added up at the end of a couple of months, when the dust settles, it'll be even tougher for you to make those payments. And trust me, your credit score, your credit report, your credit history is the one that'll take a beating. And in America, we all know if your credit score is not good, you're gonna have a tough time qualifying for anything. I read a study just a few days ago at CNBC. 55% of baby boomers have credit card debt which is 2 years or older. 66% of millennials and Generation Z have credit card debt that is 2 years or older. That tells us that people my age, people younger than me who were Generation Z, and people older than me, they don't have any money in the bank. Majority of the population in this country doesn't have money in the bank. Whatever you have to do, cut your cable. If you have that family share internet data plan for the cell phones, cut that crap. You don't need that much data. You're not the CEO. You're not an entrepreneur. You're just wasting that crap. Cut that off. You don't need Netflix. You don't need Hulu. You can live without that stuff. Make your payments. I hope you can understand how important this is. I understand we're all going through a tough time. Our incomes have either been squeezed or we're not getting any. But there's a saying, calm seas don't make a good sailor. These are the times that define you. If you think you're a man, now's the time to show it to your family, to your friends. Now's the time to prove yourself to the world. Make those goddamn payments.